Hello. Um, I'm like killing myself here, making the rounds, trying to get stuff every day. I hit 2 Barnes and Nobles, 4 Walmarts, 3 Big Lots, 2 Barnes and Nobles, 4 Walmarts, 3 Big Lots, and then I came home, showered, and went back out. I was gonna actually hit. There was 2 of them that I wanted to hit again because they had nice stuff. So I didn't do it though. But well, I went to one, but not the other because by the time I got done with the first one, it was the second one was closed while I was driving home. So I don't know. All right, I am going to just show you what I got. Today is I almost said Tuesday. Today's Thursday, May 20th, and I'm beat. As soon as I'm done making this video, I am like the Three Stooges. What's going on with this prism thing? What the heck is going on? There's like a prism thing floating in the. What is it doing? Thank you, Target. Target had a prism basketball box in their electronics section. So if any of you guys live in Wilkes-Barre, make sure you go to the electronics section. I guess they're randomly inserting stuff that they never sold that was in the back room. They had like 2 shopping carts full of stuff, and they're just randomly putting cards out to anyone who can afford them or who wants to buy them or wants to actually pay Target money. Okay, got done with work. Took a little ride on a hunch. I don't know. I get these feelings, and I sure paid off yesterday with all those monster boxes and Select, Prism, Chronicles, UFC. All right, first one. I got these at exactly 4:31 and 12 seconds. 4 o'clock, 31 minutes, 12 seconds. They have, I think they're called Elite. Oh my God. They're called Premium Stock. NBA Hoops. These things they're phenomenal. And if any of you get a chance to buy them, I recommend them. I didn't think they were going to be good because like when I was a kid and growing up and when I was a kid owning my own card store, they didn't have premium stock. They just had crappy hoops. Right, so that was 4:31. Not the second place I stopped. Okay. Second place I stopped. I'm not sure why I get lucky there, but I get lucky. I don't want to say every time, but almost every time I go to the Dixon City Walmart. I got 6 of these. They are the ones that I got yesterday that no one wanted. The Tops Match Attacks Extra. ATTAX. Okay. So I got a whole bunch of them in here. And some idiot ripped the box apart and took a couple. And I was going to go up and like pay for the whole box if it was like cheap, but it wasn't. It's actually more to buy the box than it was to buy the individual packs. The packs were like 90 cents. So I bought 10 packs of them for 90 cents or for $9. I guess plus tax, so 60 cents or yeah. No, I'm going to open one of these. I just want to see what they look like. I thought it was like one card, but it's 5, so let's see what I get. Another thing I like about it is I got McDavid right in the middle. There he is, right in the middle, right in the front. That'd be cool if I pulled open a McDavid on the first pack. Whoops. All right, let's see. Oh, are these stickers? Yeah, they are. Okay. These are nice for stickers. Teuvo Tervainen. Teuvo Tervainen. These are sweet. Look at these. These are stickers. These are freaking sweet. I'm going to definitely buy some more when I go up there the next time. I'll tell you what. This is worth it. That is some sweet stuff. All right, I need to get these back in there and finish this up. Come on, I'm getting tired. All right, I showed all the tins. What do I do with the rest of the tins? All right, so 2 straight days of getting soccer tins, which are phenomenal. Well, it's weird too because they're priced different at different stores. I don't know why. All right, that's good. That's good. What was that? Oh, then I went to Taylor after that, and they didn't have anything. So tomorrow it might be better there. Oh, when I went to Taylor, I bought a Coke, a beef jerky, and 2 Lay's potato chips. Like you care. I get a kick out of these people that film themselves eating and film their film their food. I don't really find that interesting. So when I do something, I say something stupid like that, I make fun of myself. Yeah, like they really want to see that. All right, so after that, oh my. Oh, God, I was missing them. Oh my God, I was going to go crazy. Then I went to Wilkes-Barre, the Wilkes-Barre Walmart, but Taylor, Wilkes-Barre. Okay, so I hit 4 different Walmarts 5 times, 3 big lots, which were struck out, and well, there was stuff at there was Pokemon stuff, and I've bought so much Pokemon, I'm like sort of Pokemoned out. I actually was going to go back up to Tunkhannock and buy those Pokeballs, but my buddy told me that they already sold out. They had like 2 dozen of them, and they were gone within not even 2 hours. Okay. Oh, so at Wilkes-Barre, I think these are blasters. Look for rare retail exclusive green parallel cards. Doesn't say how many. Oh, 72 cards per box. Doesn't say if there's packs. Maybe it's just a fat pack. It's a blaster with a gigantic. 5 packs plus 1 extra pack. 12 cards per pack. Oh, okay. So that means there's 60 of the regular, and then another 12 of the extra, the bonus. Let's see what kind of bonus. Not reading that. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood for that. Okay, doesn't matter. And I start talking to a girl in line, and she was really cool. And just so you don't think I'm lying, it's like, here, I'll give you $10 if you buy two boxes of cards from me. And she's like, at first she was like, oh, and I'm like, here, take it. And then she's like, well, I'm like, here, okay, here, give me the $10 back. So I took it back, I put it back in my wad, and I go, I'll buy all your stuff for you. And she's like, okay. so after it rang up, it was only $7.81 or something. I go, you should have took the 10. She goes, no, I didn't even want to take. She's like, I'll buy it for you. She's like, you're so nice. So there's the two I bought. And wow, it was still early. It was only 8:28:49. Then I had to come home and take a shower. So here's mine. 1, 2. So awesome. So I got 4 boxes of Bowman, 4 premium stock hoops packs, and a whole bunch of packs of hockey stickers. But everyone's like, eh. And also 5 tins of those soccer cards. I was joking about these being in Target. Target, I'll tell you what, I'm done. I really like that store. I used to buy my clothes there, my shirts, underwear, buy my food. I used to buy everything from Target. So, I mean, seriously, office supplies. I'd be in a mood for cheese. I'd go over by they have like 6 different packs of Tillamook. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but those little cheese snack things, like individually wrapped cheese chunks, and they like cheddar, extra sharp cheddar, white cheddar, extra sharp white cheddar, Swiss, Gouda, feta, and all these different kinds. I love that. I used to go there and buy stuff all the time. Target, you're fascist. And to treat normal people like they're criminals for wanting to buy baseball cards? Really? It took me like 2.5 months to finally get something off of Target. I'll never forget. I went there like on a Saturday morning, and I said to the girl, I said, "Oh, do you have any cards today?" And she's like, "Yep." And I'm like, "Oh my God, you finally have cards?" Like I was going. I don't think I was there in December, but definitely January and February. Always looking for cards. And I want to say, oh wait, no, it's not here. I moved it. I just found it. I think it said March 16th was like the first day I found cards. And I got 2 packs of Football Chronicles and 2 packs of Series 1 baseball. And I was so happy because I actually got something. And then finally, in like April, I think, they start doing the Friday thing. Lasted like 3-4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks. So you're going to punish hundreds of thousands of baseball card enthusiasts, sports cards enthusiasts, since football and basketball are probably the 2 hottest things right now. You're going to punish all of us because some psycho jackass in Wisconsin pulled a gun on someone in the parking lot. And just think about it, guys. Target and Walmart's security, I'll be honest, Target's isn't as bad as Walmart, but both of their securities in the parking lots of their establishments suck. So, partly your fault too.